Oh, hey, what's up? What am I doing now? You'll see. One of my subscribers said something that really resonated with me.
The main purpose of organics is to feed the soil, which in turn will keep the grass healthy, right? So a true test might be to use organics on half of your lawn for the entire growing season and synthetics on the other half. Then compare not only how the grass looks at the end of the season, but also the health of the soil.
Thank you very much, Thomas, my friend. I really appreciate that feedback, and I agree with you. I want to drive home the fact that lawn care is not only about how your lawn looks on the surface, but also about the health of the soil and the plant. So here I am, prepping for an extended assessment. For testing, I'm using 2 separate soil tests from 2 different companies. This first test is from My Soil, and they use a predictive soil testing technology that we just don't know much about. You'll notice here that most of these numbers are extremely high, but I don't know what they're basing these numbers on. Waypoint Analytical uses the Meilich-3 technique, and you can find tons of information on the web about how that actually works. According to the Waypoint soil analysis, my main concern is iron and copper. The iron looks to be pretty high, but other than that, the rest of the nutrients look just fine. Now, I really wanted to compare the results of these 2 tests. What's interesting is that the pH came back the exact same on both tests at a 7.0 for the Parkway. The other result that was the same was low boron. Other than that, almost everything was completely different. Unfortunately, with the My Soil test, they have a patent pending on their method. We don't know a lot about how My Soil does their tests and gets their results. So which test am I going to go with? I'm going to go with the Meilich-3 results because there's so much scientific data that backs up how they do the soil testing and the results that you get from it. So I'll be using that going forward for next year to test that LawnBox organic fertilizer. Now, I hope you hang out with me all season long, stick it out, and let's see what this Parkway soil looks like in the fall. I can't wait to check it out. Hopefully you stick around and see what type of results we come up with in that soil.